Welcome back, guys. Dylan with Beamer Tech. Behind me is an E84 X1, and we will be installing our premium audio amplifier in this car. In the future, we'll also be installing our Alpha 1 speaker system and our wireless CarPlay and Android Auto MMI Prime as well. But if you want the best sound out of your car, you are going to want this amp. And our speakers, but we'll get to that in a future video. This car actually belongs to Jarrett. Jarrett is a new member of the Beamer Tech family. He is going to be doing the installation, and we will be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to put this in your car. But before we get to that, let's learn a bit more about Jarrett.
Hey guys, I'm Jarrett with Beamer Tech. I do logistics. I have my E84 X1 here. And I've had it for about a year, and we're going to be installing some products today.
So that's Jarrett. This is the amp. Let's get to the installation. Here are the tools you need for the job. Beamer Tech trim tools, a ratchet with a 10mm socket, and a screwdriver with a T25 and T40 bit. First, we need to open the hatch and remove the cargo cover by pulling up on these tabs and then pulling the cover away. Pop the rear section out the same way. To get access to the battery, we need to disconnect, remove all of the floor coverings, any mat, the floor panel, and cargo tray. With a 10mm socket, remove the negative battery terminal and set it aside. Now the rear trim. Remove the two T25 bolts at the bottom and the two T40 bolts at the top. There are a few pins holding it down, so a trim tool may help pop it off. For the side panel, which is where the amp lives, remove this bolt with a T40 bit and then remove these two pins with a trim tool. Remove the storage tray and remove the light with the trim tool and by pulling the connector off. Now start removing the panel. It's behind some weather stripping and secured by some more tabs up top, but with some persuasion, it will pop out. Now we have access to the factory amp. Remove the three 10mm nuts holding the amp to the car. Pull it away from the car and disconnect the factory harness by pressing the tab and rotating the arm of the connector. Now we're going to take the Beamer Tech Premium Audio Amplifier and line up the bracket with the studs the factory amp was attached to. Reinstall the nuts. Then plug the white connectors of the Beamer Tech plug-and-play harness into the amp and the connector of the factory harness into the other end of the Beamer Tech harness. Rotate the arm for a secure connection. Find a cable tie and some flush cuts to tidy up the wiring. Next, plug in the USB cable to the other side of the amp. This will be used in the event you need to digitally access the amp in the future. Keep the other end where the storage box sits for easy access in the future. Place the side panel back the opposite way you took it out. See, there's that USB cable. Reconnect your battery, put the rear trim back in, put your floor panels back in, reinsert all of your pins and bolts, cargo cover, and you're done. And that is how you install our premium audio system amplifier in a BMW E84 X1. Guys, it is super easy to do. Head on over to our website and enter your VIN so you can find the appropriate amp and speaker system for your car. That's right, make sure you subscribe to this channel and ring that bell so you don't miss that future video of the speakers being installed in this X1 and wireless CarPlay and Android Auto MMI Prime. Tons of products available for BMWs and Minis, and we do installation videos on all of them, so stick around in this channel so you don't miss those. And hey, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Thanks for watching.